Waking up with tight hips in the morning is more than just stiffness. The hips are a place where we store a lot of stress. And so this practice is going to help us gently open up in a way so that we can feel comfortable and more flexible throughout the day. The practice doesn't require any props, and we're going to begin laying on our backs. So we'll start in a constructive rest, bringing the feet as wide as the mat and allowing the knees to knock in. Place your hand on your belly today. Taking a few deep breaths here. Just noticing the rise and the fall of the belly. Relaxing the shoulders. Maybe allowing the tongue to drop away from the roof of the mouth. Relaxing the jaw. Open the mouth, audible exhale. One more inhale. You had your hands on your belly. Gently remove them to the side. Keeping your feet as is, we're just going to drop both knees to the right, and as you do so, push the left hip forward. Come back through center, drop the hips to the left, and push your right hip forward. A few more times each side. Do one more here. Bringing both knees back to center. We're going to straighten the left leg right down onto the mat, and from here bend the left knee in towards the chest. Interlace your fingers around the right kneecap. Make some rotations with that right foot in one direction. And in the other direction. And let's draw that right knee in towards the armpit. So bringing it out to the side and drawing it in towards the armpit. Bringing it back to center, drawing it in towards the chest. Into the armpit. Into the chest. One more time, into the armpit. And into the chest. From here, bend the left knee and cross the right ankle over the left kneecap. Staying here, you can push away on your right thigh with your right hand. And bounce the knee gently, just ensuring that that right foot is flexed, or you can pick up the left foot, weave your hands through the hole, grabbing the back of the left hamstring or on top of the left shin. So gently from here, release the grip on the left hamstring or the left shin, but keep the shape as is. You're simply going to tip the shape over to the left so the sole of the right foot comes to the floor. Grab a hold of the right ankle with your left hand, and then just making sure that your right knee is pointing towards the ceiling. Cactus the right arm, look over the right shoulder. Gently bring the gaze back towards the ceiling. Release the grip, draw the shape back in towards the chest. And from here, you're just going to cross that right knee all the way over the left. Push into your left foot, pick up your hips, and shift them to the right. As you do so, drop your knees back down to the left for a deeper twist. That right arm is still cactus, looking over the right shoulder. You can place your left hand on top of the right knee. Gently bring the gaze back towards the ceiling. Push into your left foot to help draw the shape all the way back in and up. Keep the left knee bent. Grab a hold of the pinky toe edge of that right foot for a half happy baby. And in the half happy baby, you can either straighten your left leg or you can allow the left knee to drop to the floor. And gently, let's close the shape, release, and do this on the other side. So straightening now that right leg and bending the left knee in towards the chest. You can rotate the ankle a few times. And here, let's draw the left knee in towards the armpit. And then squeeze it back in towards the chest, to the armpit, and the chest. One more time. Armpit, and the chest. From here, let's bend the right knee, crossing the left ankle over the right kneecap. Option to push away on that left thigh with your left hand, or pick up the right foot, weave your hand through the hole, grabbing the back of the right hamstring, or on top of the right shin. Gently release from here, keeping the shape as is, and simply tipping the shape over towards the right. So the sole of the left foot comes to the floor. Grab the left ankle with your right hand, making sure that your left knee is pointing towards the ceiling first. You can cactus the arm and look over the left shoulder. Gently bring the gaze back towards the ceiling. Use that right foot to help coax the shape back up. And simply cross that right knee all the way over. Cross the left knee all the way over the right. Push into your right foot, pick up your hips, shift them to the left, and then drop your knees back down to the right. Right hand can be placed on top of the left knee. Gently bring your gaze back towards the ceiling. Again, using that right foot to help coax your knees back upright. Readjust your hips. Option to keep the right knee bent as you grab the pinky toe edge of the left foot for half happy baby. You can allow the right knee to drop open to the side or straighten the leg. Gently from here, bend the left knee, bringing the left foot in towards your groin. Bring the right foot in to meet it. Grab the soles of both feet. You can use your elbows to help coax the thighs open for reclined butterfly. From here, we'll make our way to a seat. You can make your way there any which way you prefer. Gently placing the hands on the knees. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears, down the back. And just humbly bow the chin in towards the chest. Taking a few quiet moments here to set your intention for the day. Gently opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed the practice. I hope your hips are happy, and I will see you back here for day 3.